Hi, Dr. Gaba. It's Janet Haig from the library. I wanted to congratulate you on your retirement. During your tenure at Atlantic Cape, we've been able to do so many wonderful improvements to the library and also the tutoring services. I hope you have a wonderful next chapter.
Hi, I'm Morgan Kenny, and if there's one thing that I could say to Dr. Gaba, it would be thank you for creating such a supportive environment for students. It really made such a difference in my journey here, and hopefully I'll keep seeing you at Starbucks in the mornings.
Hi, Dr. Gaba. It has been a pleasure working with you for the past 3.5 years. I will miss you, but I wish you a very happy retirement with Mr. Gaba, your children, and your grandchildren.
Hi, Dr. Gaba. Congratulations on your 10 years here at the community college and many years in higher education. Wish you the best in retirement and just really want to thank you for the time and effort that you've put into this institution. You've been at a few of the induction ceremonies and award ceremonies I've been to, and for you to really want to take your time and get to know the students, the faculty here at the institution, it really says a lot about your character and how genuine of a person you are. So I really wish you the best in your future endeavors in retirement, and thank you for all that you have done for Atlantic Cape Community College.
Dr. Gaba, words cannot express the depth of admiration that I have for you. You have not only made history here at Atlantic Cape Community College, but you transformed it. As the first Black and first female president, you've opened a door that had never been opened before, and you're leaving it wide open for those that come behind you. Your leadership, your grace, your unwavering commitment to this community has left its mark. The lives you touched, the dreams that you sparked in young Black and brown children that are coming up, the barriers that you've broken, Dr. Gaba, that is your legacy. So as you transition into this well-deserved season of rest, know that you are deeply celebrated, profoundly appreciated, and forever loved. Congratulations on your retirement, Dr. Gaba. God bless you and your family.
Dr. Gaba, enjoy your retirement. Congratulations. Take it easy.
Hi, I'm Robert. I'm graduating this May 21st from the Addiction Counseling Program here at ACC. And I just want to wish Dr. Gaba a happy retirement and a thank you for your 9 years of service here to Atlantic Cape Community College.
Hi, Dr. Gaba. I am Andrea Valeria Cornejo Sanchez. I am a student here at Atlantic Cape. I am majoring in biomedical science and I'm graduating this May. Thank you so much for all your work you have done for Atlantic Cape. In the years I have been here, I've been received by a welcoming community that has just been amazing, and that's thanks to your job and thanks to all the resources you have provided for the college. Thank you so much for all your effort and happy retirement.
Hi, Dr. Gaba. It's me, Tammy. I'd just like to say a few things to you and let you know that to me, you were more than just the president of Atlantic Cape Community College. You were my friend and much more. And I wish you all the best on your retirement.
My name's Alex Barr. One thing Atlantic Cape does great for its students is provide support and resources. I just want to say thank you to Dr. Gaba for supporting my journey, as well as all of the athletics programs that you've brought to this school during your time here. Thank you. Congratulations.
Dr. Gaba, I want to thank you for your time here at Atlantic Cape. And especially, of course, for all your support of the culinary program and our students. I wish you nothing but wonderful memories in your retirement, and I hope you get lots of time with those grandchildren that you're so proud of. Wishing you all the best, and thank you again for everything you've done for us here at Atlantic Cape.
Hi, my name is Liziah Wilson. I came to Atlantic Cape for photography. However, I do play volleyball here at Atlantic Cape. But Dr. Gaba, without you, this would not be possible. So we thank you and we all love you.
Hello, Dr. Gaba. It's Lisa Givens here, student engagement. I just want to wish you a happy retirement. Just good luck on your new chapter. I'll be starting one too, so hopefully we can meet up at Starbucks one day and just enjoy the summer. Take care, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side of retirement.
Hi, this is Tasha Rivera, and I want to say thank you to Dr. Gaba for all of your leadership that you have reflected in the last few years, and I wish you the best of luck.
Congratulations on your retirement, Dr. Gaba. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to work with you and to see your dedication to Atlantic Cape Community College. As Vice President of Institutional Effectiveness, I have appreciated your support for planning, assessment, accreditation, student success, and the many initiatives that help our students and our communities thrive. Through both opportunities and challenges, you have always led with an Atlantic Cape strong spirit, encouraging us to keep moving forward together. You often mention planting seeds for future success, and that is such a fitting reflection of your impact. The people you've encouraged, the partnerships you've helped grow, and the initiatives that you've championed at the college, across the state, and nationally. Thank you for your trust, for your guidance, and your belief in Atlantic Cape. Wishing you joy, good health, and all the best in this next chapter. Congratulations, Dr. Gaba, and thank you.
Hi, Dr. Gaba. I would just want to thank you for your years of leadership and service to Atlantic Cape. Your life and career show the power of higher education and what it can make possible. And your dedication to that mission has touched more students, colleagues, and communities more than anyone can ever fully measure. I'm personally grateful for the opportunity you gave me to serve this college and for the chance to work with someone who believes so deeply in education's ability to transform lives and also might have a low-key addiction to Starbucks. I wish you a retirement filled with family, laughter, many trips to Cape May and beyond, and plenty of treasured quiet moments. And you will be missed. Thank you.
First and foremost, I want to say congratulations on your retirement, Dr. Gaba. I know it's very, very, very well earned. Please relax, put your feet up, go on that staycation, and maybe go beyond that. Go take a trip down to Puerto Rico or something. I wanted to let you know, thank you for your guidance and your leadership. Thank you for guiding the school into the place where it is now. And I really wish you good luck in the future.
Dr. Gaba, enjoy your retirement. I'm going to miss you very much. We spent a lot of time together in the car. Your leadership is very inspiring, and for me, we finally got the baseball field on campus. I am so happy and so thankful that you saw that that was such an important project. So thank you, enjoy your retirement, and I'm really going to miss you.
It is an honor to recognize President Gaba and celebrate her retirement. Serving alongside her as Senior Vice President of Academic Affairs, I have seen firsthand her unwavering commitment to students, faculty, and the future of the institution. She consistently championed faculty innovation and supported the development of new academic programs that align with workforce and student needs. Through her tenure, the college expanded important initiatives, including National Science Foundation grants that strengthened opportunities for students in technology, innovation, and career pathways for our students. She also recognized that student success begins with excellent teaching. Her commitment to faculty development helped strengthen the work of the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence through professional development, collaboration, innovation, and support. CTLE became even more vital resource dedicated to improving teaching effectiveness and enhancing student learning. But her legacy is not only academic. Anyone who's walked the Mays Landing campus has seen the physical transformation that reflects pride, investment, and a belief in our institution, from improvements to facilities and learning spaces to the beautification and modernization of the campus environment. She understands that student and employees deserve spaces that inspire excellence, belonging, and opportunity. Most importantly, she led with integrity, optimism, and a genuine commitment to people. Her presidency has left a lasting mark on this institution and on all of us who have had the privilege to work with her. Congratulations on your retirement, President Gaba, and best wishes in this new and exciting chapter of your life.
So Dr. Gaba, I know you've done tremendous work and you're about to retire. And this is coming from Clive Morgan, your student government president. And we've met on multiple occasions. And I just want to say to you, as you continue your journey, and as you told me before, you will be retiring, but you will continue to mentor people. Continue to do the great things that you've always done. And I just want to say to you, happy retirement. And, you know, keep putting that, instill that greatness in other people that you've always done. So happy retirement and love you.